esteemed speakers, honored guests, and participants. It is a great honor and privilege to me to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank Sushri Shobha Karanlaje Madam, Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, who, despite her busy schedule, has found time to grace the occasion. Madam, your presence has been an inspiration to us. I request Dr. Pankaja to present the token of gratitude to Madam. I express my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest of today's occasion, Dr. Ashok M. Dr.Y.N. sir, for sparing his valuable time for us and motivating us. I request Dr. Savita to present the token of gratitude. At the outset, I would like to thank our guest of honor, Dr. P. Chandrasekhara, Director General Manage, Hyderabad, and alumni of this university, for spending his valuable time. Your presence really made our day. I request all the dignitaries to present the token of gratitude. I also express my sincere thanks to Dr. U.S. Gautam for his inspiration to conduct the program. I thank Dr. J. Ishwarappa, President, ISEE Karnataka Chapter, for his continuous support to organize this program. An event of this magnitude cannot be organized without the support of our Vice-chancellor, Dr. S.V. Suresha. Thank you, sir, for providing required guidance and support at every step. I also thank Dr. Rashmi Singh. I thank Dr. Rashmi Singh, Secretary, ISEE, New Delhi. And also I thank Dr. Venkatesubramaniam, Atari Director, Bangalore. I thank all the former Vice-chancellors. We have the galaxy of retired administrators. I thank all the former Vice-chancellors, former DDGs, advisors to the government, former Director of Extension, former registrars. I would like to extend our thanks to all the key officers of the university for their constant support and encouragement for conducting this seminar. We are grateful to all the participants who have travelled from various parts of the country to attend this seminar. I extend our heartfelt appreciation to the sponsors, partners who have generously supported this event. And I owe special gratitude to all technical and non-technical staffs, volunteers, PG students who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable one. On behalf of the university, I profusely thank print and electronic media for their support. Thank you, one and all.